Hello guys, and welcome back to yet another video of Garissa Vlogs. Today I am headed for Raya Village. By the way, Raya Village is where the Garissa's electricity substation is located. At the same time, the same Raya Village is where the largest electricity generating power plant is located. I think there are around 220,000 solar panels placed there to generate electricity for this region and adding to the national grid. And by the way, a few days ago it rained heavily, so at the same time we'll be looking at how bad the road is the result of the heavy rain that hit this place. You can see water on the ground. So far so good. If you are new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe, you like this video, and share this video to your friends who might be interested in videos of this time. Otherwise, enjoy the video to the end. Yeah. Okay, you can see the road repairs taking place after the heavy rainfall. Most of the road around this place had been swept off, meaning vehicle could not pass places like this. So that is the reason you see the repairs. Donkeys play a very important role in transportation of goods and people, especially in the villages. You can see the impact of the rain here. Water everywhere, all over, like on the sides of the road. This is Sunshine Academy, Sunshine Primary and Secondary. Okay, this was the worst affected area during when it rained. You see, the road looks like this. The culvert had been swept away. Repair works ongoing all the way to this point, and yeah, you can see for yourself. Okay, you notice the donkeys. Yeah, donkeys are very important. You see, this is part of the road. It looks like this. When it rains right now, you cannot use this road. You can easily be swept away, even when you have a car. Look. And you can see with your eyes that the land is mostly flat. So the fact that the rain does this much impact on the soil is because the land is flat. I consider this place a plateau. It's a very flat land. See farming activities taking place around here. You can see there are people who have fenced this land, and I see some animals in there. And on the other hand, you can see this one as well. though somehow the morning sunshine is preventing. Now we are at Raya electricity substation. You can see this is it. This is where electricity is regulated for supply around here. And I'm surprised that there is this structure here at Raya, a very huge project. I don't know what this project is. I don't know if it is houses or a school. I don't know what this is. This is Raya police station, and the village looks like this. There is a mosque here, a police barrier just right here, and yeah, you can see the mosque here. If you've watched this video to this point, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, share with as many friends as possible, and let us hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of this month. Thank you guys. Let us meet on the next video.